I think we're going to see some fancy smoke coming up next here on the next class. On the inside, we've got the 2.6 diesel truck, so hang on to your seats for that. Looks like we've got a Oliver 80 coming your way, and Charlie Barbeck out of Mount Carmel in his to wind up this 6,000-pound barnyard class. First of our diesel trucks, here's Eric Shear coming your way. Eric Shear and that Dodge coming in from Albany. Hey, how'd you like that? Smoke, fire, and shine coming down the track. Eric Shear starts out this 2.6 diesel class in grand fashion with a pull-up 331.88. 331.88 for Eric Shear. We've got, if you like that one, we've got 4 more. You ready for some more smoke? We've got a 97 Dodge built the fire in it out of Ireland, Indiana. Watch him build the boost in it. Multiple turbos. Here's Ben Broniker. Dodge out of Ireland, Indiana. Ben Broniker with a pull of 326.85. 326.85 for Ben Broniker. Here's Tom Hill coming your way out of Oblong. Get the GMC, put it on the Dodges. The only GMC in the class. Looks like he may have done it. 334.6. 334.60 for Tom Hill to take over the lead in his 2.6 diesel truck class.